Yura, Laura, Vanessa, blah. Tyler, Little Man, went on probably like all the rides. We got these little bracelets, and they're like on all the rides that we wanted, and it was. There's this one. It was like this, and then there's this spinning like. There's the Ferris wheel, which is like fun. We went on it at the end. Then we went on the Viking one that went like that. Hero's Fury. And then Yura and Rhea wanted to go on one of the spinning ones again. So, me and Katie, because we were feeling dizzy, we didn't want to. We, went, and there had been this really big dog. Katie had run this cat, and it was and so I was like, oh, let's go try and win the big dog. And so we went out. How do you win the big dog? And the guy's like, oh, you just. And I shoot it, and all the cops went in, and me and Katie screamed so loud. And we just are like sitting there screaming. The people next to us are. So we are like, oh my god, we won the big dog, no way. And so we start screaming. He's like, okay, what do you want? And I'm like, the big dog. And so I carried this big dog around with me for like probably like 10 minutes, and I was like hitting people with it. And then then this is when the other video comes. And stuff it in. It's huge. You will not believe how big it is when I show it to you. And so like we just go over and we look at it. It's like. So we're carrying this giant thing around. When we put it in the car, we all were like sitting under it. It's like huge. It's like, oh. Yeah, it's giant. Okay, well, here it is. So, one sec. Oh, one sec. Someone's calling me. I'm not gonna pick up, so. Okay, so. I just like barely see that. And I can like. Yeah, when I'm sitting on the floor in front of it. And I'm standing up in front of it. Up to here. My giant dog. I don't know what I should name it yet, so you should give me some, like. That was actually Katie calling, so I should call her back. Okay. Yeah,